Hey guys, how are you? It's Corey from Creality 3D Printer. If you watch our Facebook Live, you may recognize me a little bit. If not, it's okay. From now, we will do some short video here with our 3D printer and our accessories. Hope you guys will have fun and enjoy. Hi, I'm back, and now I want to show you our new PEI magnetic plate. You can see that there are two places. This one is the magnetic, and this one is the plate. There are 4 features, and this is our new silk PLA, which was released in last week. It's very smooth and shiny, and this is the model we print. There are 6 colors in total. Just click on our website, you can get more detailed information. Let me put my plate on the Ender 5. Wow. As per, it's already have the magnetic and the black steel PLA on our Ender 5. I only just need to put the plate on the top. Let's do the print right now. So the print was finished. Let's take it out and see how that look like. Then let us plug it out. We can see that compared to this one, it's very shiny. And then that's our shiny PLA. Yeah, it's look very nice. That's what we did today. Thanks for watching, and we will do some more short video in the coming days. If you have any idea, just do the comments below. Thank you so much. Bye.